Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer all your contacts to your SIM card or SD card on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your contacts application on your Android phone. And then you're going to click on this three lines button. After that, you're going to select manage contacts right here. And since we want to export our contacts, we can tap on import or export contacts. Then tap on export, and you can choose either you want to transfer your contact to your SD card or SIM card. And for example, if you want to transfer to your SD card, you just need to click on SD card, then click on export button right here. But if you want to transfer your contacts to your SIM card, you can select the SIM card you want to transfer. For example, I'm going to select SIM 1. Then we can click on all to transfer all of our contacts. After that, we can click on done right here, then tap on export, and after that the contact will be exported to your SIM card. Alright guys, and that's how we can transfer all contacts to SIM card or SD card on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.